Hey guys, I'm Sarah and I'm mostly handing the reins over to Olivia today because she has come up with a recipe. Basically we're calling it, what is it? A
lemon cream sorbet.
Lemon cream sorbet. This is so yummy. Do you use sugar in it?
Nope, honey.
Nope. So there we go, completely sugar free. It does have honey in it. Right.
Sorry, I'm not good at narrating. Sorry,
Okay.
she's talking.
I'm the narrator. So I say it's two pretty large lemons, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now, excuse the slightly unorthodox. We lost the container that went underneath the juicer, so we're just using a
yogurt.
yogurt.
The yogurt things fit perfectly though. Like,
yeah.
Genuinely.
Fine. Be fine.
Half a cup of lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice works way better.
So about half a cup. So those two decent lemons, they'll probably do it. Those are really juicy, those ones. And lemons are actually a reasonable price at the moment. So this is sort of a seasonal thing. Winter's not the time of year you think of sorbet, but
it's warm outside.
It's not bad out there at the moment. Oh, there we go. It was actually over half a cup. That's all right.
1 cup of this. I believe you had stuff to say about that.
Yes, now she's used coconut milk, however, basically what she did last time was, because you know you buy a can of coconut milk and it's got the really solid stuff on top and it's watery at the bottom, you use that solid stuff on top and sort of left about half a can of the watery stuff. So I would say 1 cup, which a can's 400 ml, 1 cup's 250 ml, so just over half a can of coconut cream, because she is getting the creamy stuff out of the top, using that and then just topping it up with the stuff underneath.
And then it's a 1/4 cup of honey.
So of course the honey is replacing sugar.
It's taking its place as a sweetener.
Yeah. Bit healthier, I suppose. So it's just 3 ingredients, isn't it?
Yep.
Ice cube trays.
On the fact that we're using coconut milk makes it dairy free, but yogurt's also an option.
You did try it with yogurt, didn't you?
Yeah, but it turned out better with the coconut milk either way. And now we freeze them.
Freeze them, and we'll see you back here in what, 2 or 3 hours, if that?
2 to 4 hours.
Oh yeah. Now, optional, if you like a real lemony zing to it, which we do, the tangier the better in my opinion. Feel free to zest the lemons.
Yeah, and as there were 2 lemons, then I can afford to only go over the outside of each one once, so...
Yeah, so you don't need to freeze the lemon zest. We just add that...
before we blend up the frozen cubes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like putting it in the fridge to keep it nice and cool though.
Yeah, that's while we're waiting. A couple of hours later, I think it's only been like 2 hours. But they freeze pretty quick because they're only 3 hours. You know, they're only in the little thingies.
We should have refrigerated this because it's melting against the edges.
So yeah, it does pay to refrigerate the container you're going to mix it in and the bowl you're going to put it in. Alright.
We forgot to add the rind, so I'm just sprinkling it on.
We did forget the rind. Alright, bring it on. Oh yeah.
Yep.
That is lemony, tangy, coconutty. Just the right amount of sweetness with the honey. You can't taste the honey in it, but I think without the honey it would be a bit too tangy, if you know what I mean. That is so yummy. If you like coconut cream, you'll like it. If you like lemon, you'll like it. As Olivia said, pretty much any kind of fruit you could chuck in there, couldn't you? Well,
This is just the one I found that works best.
Raspberries or whatever. Oh yeah.
I'm adding more of the rind.
You add the rind.
I'm adding all of the rind.
There we go. like, leave a comment down below, subscribe and add all the rind. Alright, bye.